In the beginning of the monsoon or the rainy season is the best time to propagate the most spectacular flower that bloom in winter, that is chrysanthemums. Early July is the right time to collect the cuttings from a mother plant and to root them in the different mediums to have baby plants. After blooming, I have pre-planted this mother plant of these chrysanthemums, let's say in the end of February, and I keep them alive, just watering them regularly and apply some fungicides or insecticides or in between. Now I am going to show you how to propagate this plant in different mediums. Take some cuttings of 2 to 3 inch from the mother plant. Remove the lower leaves except 3 to 4 leaves on the top. Make the similar cuttings as many as possible because 20% of our cuttings will not survive. Then insert them into sand that is pre-moistened before. Your cuttings can stand upright properly if the sand is not soaked with water beforehand. Then take 1 liter of water, add root hormone half teaspoon and 1 teaspoon fungicides. Mix well. Now spray on the sand and over the leaves also. Always use sprinkler while making your saplings from seeds or making baby plants from the cuttings. Now I take the same cuttings of the chrysanthemums but going to plant them in coco peat mixture. First I dip the cuttings in the water and I get some root hormone on the plate. Now you see what I am going to do here. Dip it in the hormone and tap it gently. Then root it into the coco peat mixture. Press the cuttings little bit. Make sure there should not be any air pocket around the stem or else they will die due to fungal infection. I remove them gently from the medium. You see how well the roots are growing. Now it's time to replant them in a small pots. See, I am ready with so many baby plants. I will wait for them to be old enough or mature enough. Then I will replant them in a bigger pots again. That would be my final task, to have chrysanthemums to bloom in winter in my garden.